Okay, so here we are, looking at the situation with Bitcoin, seeing Bitcoin making a comeback, which naturally, after it had previously dipped, it begs the question, how do we actually determine our current position, where we truly stand in the market? You see, obviously, and this is where the Crypto-Quebec indicator becomes incredibly useful, it's quite straightforward. You can observe that it had previously trended downwards, and today we've seen a notable upward movement. In fact, many might have jumped on this indicator. But, if we're not able to achieve a new higher high, as the Crypto-Quebec indicator clearly demonstrates here, it indicates a pullback. You see, right here, what we really need to be vigilant about is whether or not we're going to create a lower low. And the answer at this moment is no. We're attempting, yet again, to break through here, aiming for that 48,000 level. We haven't been able to breach it. This is what we call a chop, a sideways market. And frankly, most people aren't too fond of it, Within the 48,000 range, there isn't much substantial movement to be found. So here, it's attempting to signify something. And so, as you can grasp, we're not succeeding, and we pull back. This is the second time we're returning to the midpoint of the channel. If we get a vector, that actually confirms the base. Do you see a vector forming? The only genuine way to surmount these resistance levels, these veritable walls, is with the presence of vectors. Without a vector, we simply don't break through. However, we did have one, and that in turn serves as a warning. It suggests a potential descent. But to where exactly? Just to 48,000, according to Crypto-Quebec. You can clearly see that green line right here. This signifies the 48,000 mark. After that point, we initiated an upward trend again. Why? Well, look here. See this bounce? It's bouncing off the midpoint of this channel. We witnessed a reversal candle. We no longer have upward momentum. Instead, we have a reversal candle. You can observe this on the Crypto-Quebec indicator, a 100-point bounce followed by a reversal candle. This pattern indicates a reversal. You can see it here around the 20-point mark. And indeed, at 80,000, this significant psychological marker, we might see a minor correction, perhaps a brief pullback to around this 80,000 zone. However, the ultimate final destination, the grand finale of this entire sequence, is the 82,000 level. That's the key, the ultimate target, 82,000. So if this opportunity piques your interest, I wholeheartedly invite you to join my dedicated team, the Crypto-Quebec trading team. All that's required is for you to click this link, and it will prompt you to join the Crypto-Quebec team with bonuses of $1,000. You simply enter your email address, click, and I will personally add you to the team. Now, let's look at this. $500,000. That's right. The results you're witnessing here are my personal achievements, and importantly, the successes of the individuals who are actively trading alongside me. Even observe Jojo265, a relatively new trader, achieving substantial gains. These figures demonstrate the potential. So if you're interested, by all means, join the team and become a part of this growing community. It's absolutely free. There you have it. Bitcoin is continuing its upward trajectory. This is essentially my outlook for the foreseeable future. Now, naturally, if this resonates with you, I conduct live trading sessions every single day at 6:30 p.m. I strongly encourage you to join these live sessions, where we'll delve into Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. We dedicate approximately 45 minutes to an hour to live trading, and subsequently, we transition over to Discord for more in-depth live trading with the team. In the evening,